Welcome. In this video, I'm going to tell you about inserting and removing hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. So hyperlink does not mean that you will be going through or inserting some web page link into the Microsoft Excel. It can also be used to make sure that if you click at one point or at one cell in Excel, it will redirect you to a certain cell. That is also one of the uses of hyperlink. So to do that, there are two options. The first option is a traditional one. For example, in this D2 cell, if you want to click on D2 cell, it should show you what this D2 cell is all about. That is, it should redirect you on this cells, right? So to do that, that means to add an hyperlink here, which means that if you click here, then it will redirect you here, right? So to do that, the first and the traditional steps are go to the insert and here in links, click on the link and then you have to insert link and this will open and you just need to click on place in this document because you are actually placing a link in this document that you're working on, and you have to give the cell reference, and here it is B5, sorry, A5 to A6, right? You have given a link here, so if someone wants to see what this is all about, or just click on here and this will be selected and you can easily read what this was all about. And if you want to remove it, just click again, and if you want to remove the link, just go here and click here, remove link. The link would be removed. And the other step that I was talking about is that just right click here and you will see an option called link, and then it is same. And if you want to remove it, you will again see remove link here only. So this was all about how to add and remove hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.